Nurse manager, I'm admitting Mr. George to the ward. He's presenting with acute chest pain and shortness of breath. His vital signs are unstable, and he requires immediate attention.
I'll prepare a bed and notify the team, Dr. Mihira. What are his current medications and allergies?
He's on a blood thinner and has a history of asthma. Please ensure he has access to his medications and an inhaler.
I'll coordinate with the pharmacy. Is there anything else we should be aware of?
Mr. George is a fall risk, so please ensure his bed is in the lowest position and the call light is within reach. We'll need to monitor his vital signs closely and be prepared to respond to any changes.
I'll assign a dedicated nurse to Mr. George and ensure he receives the necessary care. Is there anything else you'd like me to know, Dr. Mihira?
Please keep me updated on his condition and any changes in his vital signs. We may need to adjust his treatment plan based on his response.
Mihira, I understand that dealing with this discomfort can be frustrating, and I truly want to help you find a path toward feeling better. With that in mind, I have a couple of important suggestions for your recovery journey. First, I strongly encourage you to consider seeing a physiotherapist. Think of them as a guide who can create a personalized plan just for you. They will provide you with specific exercises and gentle stretching techniques tailored to your body's unique needs, which is often the most effective way to build strength, improve flexibility, and support your body's natural healing process. Please know that healing takes time and consistency. However, your well-being is our priority, so it is essential that you return to see me for a follow-up review if you find your symptoms are continuing without improvement or, importantly, if they begin to worsen at any point. We are here to support you, and following up ensures we can adjust your plan and explore all options to get you back to feeling like yourself again.